about upgrading your thermostat? Installing one yourself is easier than you might think, especially if you're comfortable with basic tools and following instructions. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you do it safely. Before you start, always turn off power to your HVAC system at the breaker and check your thermostat manual for specific details. What you'll need: a new thermostat, make sure it's compatible, a screwdriver, a drill, a level, and a smartphone for smart models. Step 1. Switch off your HVAC breaker to avoid any live wires while working. Remove the old thermostat, take off the faceplate, unscrew the base, and snap a photo of the wiring to reference later. Label the wires. Use the provided labels or your own. Common wires include R for power, W for heat, Y for cool, G for fan, and C, common for smart thermostats. Attach the new mounting plate to the wall with screws and anchors. Use a level for a straight fit. Connect the wires. Match each wire to its terminal, push extra wire back into the wall, and tighten the screws. Attach the faceplate and restore power. Snap the faceplate on and turn the breaker back on. Program or connect your thermostat. Set your schedule for programmable models or connect to Wi-Fi for smart thermostats using the app. Smart thermostats often need a C wire. If you don't have one, a pro can install an adapter. Avoid forcing wires, and if you're unsure, stop and call a professional. Complex systems like multi-stage heating, zoning, or heat pumps, or tricky wiring setups are best left to experts. Ready to upgrade your thermostat with confidence? If you need help or want it done right the first time, affordable comfort is just a call away. Stay comfortable and in control all year long.